All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the final break of the night. Who we got? Who we got? We got people with Falcons, Eagles, Titans, everything. All right. Again, as always, quick eBay disclaimer: no purchase or payment is necessary to enter the eBay sweepstakes. Please check the description of our listing for said sweepstakes. All right. Break 784. 784. Congratulations to everyone who's stayed up this far. Let's get it. Let's get it on. A whole lot of box. Good luck, everyone. I'm really hoping we get some of those Phoenicians. I like those cards.
Phoenicians?
Yeah. Yes, we did. We got case of the Series 1 Jumbo coming. And hobby. So the answer is yes, we did. We got some good stuff coming for you guys. Got more baseball, we got basketball, football, air hockey, we got it all. Alright. Yeah, I don't know what, me too, Booth, or Ethan.
What?
Yeah, those Phoenicians. Those are rare. I love those cards. That's like one of my favorite inserts of any product, of any sport.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I really like those. There's one year where they were really fucking nice. Like, super nice. That's my jam. It's an air hockey. Alright, here we go. I guess we're going to start off with a Sean Clifford, 17 of 25 auto. How about that?
Oh, not for this crowd.
Pickleball. Here we go. We got 17 of 25 Sean Clifford pink.
I don't know if we would be able to do pickleball on eBay.
Christian Kirk. Hot route. Bijan Robinson. Bryce Young.
Cheesehead.
Over. How about a Dexter Sr. out of 150. So that's 18 of 150. Dexter Sr. This is, I think, like an aqua. It's kind of hard to see, but it is.
Aquavella?
Aquavelva. Julius Brents. Devontae Smith, silver. How about a Josh Jacobs? What is this called again? Contours. Out of 199. 3 of 199 Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. It's red. Daniel Jones. He's a flamethrower. Yeah, he is.
They do make them. I kid you not. That's why I thought you were serious for a moment.
They do?
They do have pickleball.
Shut up. Amari Cooper, pink. Out of 175, 164 to 175.
I was just kidding. Plus, that way, like, I thought Travis was going to buy into this.
Herbie is fired up. Matthew Stafford, DJ Moore. There's Zach Harrison. How about a Kendra Miller? Bronze to 99. 14 of 99. Justin Jetta. Justin Puka. Ooh, how about an Anthony Richardson? I wish it was an auto. Anthony Richardson. Silver patch. Out of 199. 34 of 199. Big old thicky patch. There you go, Indianapolis. Ooh, that's a cool one right here. It's like fire cracked ice or something. McCaffrey, about to win his Super Bowl. 27 of 35. 27 of 35.
Are you going with minus?
I guess.
Yeah.
Nice CJ Stroud rookie rising silver.
Oh, it's an SP on top of it. Look at that.
Yeah, it's an SP is right. Forgot about the stupid SPs.
Don't worry about
Thanks
it.
for reminding me.
Don't even.
Michael Mayer. CJ Stroud. How about he is playing with fire? We got a redemption. Josh Jacobs.
Redemption.
Contour. Aaron Jones, Isaiah Foskey. J.K. Dobbins is silver-ish, I should say. Thunderbird. There's a Devontae Smith. Bronze Thunderbird out of 75. 34 to 75. 34 to 75, Devontae Smith.
Wasn't that your first Thunderbird?
No. What the fuck? Sidney Brown? What the hell? What? Sam Laporta. Probably one of the... He's going to be TE1 next year. 10 of 150. 10 of 150. Aqua for Detroit. Quentin Johnson. Hot route. How the hell did you even come up with that? The H-An. And how about a triple patch regeneration of Jamal Anderson, Devontae Freeman, and Mustard Robinson? What he's known as now. 55 of 150. 55 of 150. Thick. Ooh, these are cool. I like these. The waves. Juju Smith-Schuster wave out of 150. 90 of 150. Look cool as hell. What is this? Justin Jefferson playing with fire. Saquon. Dorian Williams. Justin Fields silver. How about a Christian Watson? Fire and ice or whatever they're called. They're 133 to 150. Waves. And Miles Sanders, Darnell Washington, Stephon Diggs, Kaleidoscope or whatever. I don't even know what they're called. They're just like colorful. Phoenix-ish. Kenneth Walker, Thunderbirds wave out of 150, 96 of 150 for Seattle. Fire Forged, Patty Mahomes. Looks like he's... what the fuck is he doing? He's running away from the big bad wolf. Travis, Russell, and Van Ness. Got Miss Annie rookies, which I'm sure it did. Yep, I did. Son of a bitch. I don't know how I missed that rookie. Missed another one.
Hey, what's up with all these errors tonight?
I don't know.
What's going on here?
All these SPs my ass. We got rookies. Why would you do that? All right, let's see what this is.
You know.
All right, everybody. Luck. Rising Rookie Material Signature Football. Why? A booby prize. It's not.
Packers channel.
Card number 1. Uno. Will Anderson Jr. He's Houston. I think he's Atlanta. Why don't you look him up? Will Anderson Jr. Isn't he Atlanta? Atlanta? Anybody know for sure? Will Anderson Jr.
And for the
Houston Texans.
Houston Texans.
Houston Texans. That's what I meant. Houston Texans. All right, box 2. Yeah, buddies. How'd your quest go? Your tomb raiding?
Remember that game?
No, I never played it.
You never played it?
No.
What?
Wow. Because I liked girls.
Oh.
Shots fired!
Shots fired. I thought you were gonna say you were an Indiana Jones guy. That's
No, I just like I like girls.
I like girls.
I like turtles. Travis says I wouldn't mind a Mims RPA. Okay, all right. Little Mims action.
Cheese nephews.
Cheese nephews.
See, look. See how bad they are? They haven't updated. I got no references, man.
I know that's why you've got it going on, baby. I'm actually excited.
Yeah.
I think you should go home right now and start on it.
I did already.
Oh,
I'm not gonna stay up till 3 o'clock in the morning. Like
yeah, you are.
Like I did the other
Yeah,
day.
you are. I'll give you a punch check. I'll make Mo give you some sandwiches to go. some kanapki.
You make him some sandwiches to go. Yeah. He's got a long night.
Listen, I love those sandwiches. Those hit the spot. Did she do mayo for you?
I don't know. They were delicious.
He said they're delicious.
They were delicious.
Thank you. If you know she's watching,
I'll be back next week.
Next week, yeah, make sure you take requests. Marvin Mims. There's your Mims. We've got Siaki Ika. Prism. Look. James Conner. Fire Ice. Out of 35. 14 out of 35. Love it. Dallas Goddard, silver. Kirky Kirk the Jerk. All right. DJ Turner. How about a Deuce Vaughn? Deuce Vaughn rookie patch auto for Dallas Cowboys. Deuce Vaughn. Blue. Out of 50. 26 of 50. 26 of 50. Justin Herbie. Flamethrower. Miller, Sharby, Julius Brent, silver rookie. How about a Brock Purdy? This could be good, huh? 124 to 150. Cowgirls. That's a nice. Tua, Isaiah, Deontay Banks, Devontae Smith, Thunderbirds again, silver this time. Hot route, Jaden Reed. This is an aqua, another cheesehead. 79 of 150. Jaden Reed. Jordan Addison, nice silver contours. Deshaun Watson, Cooper Kupp, Jordan Addison. What's that? Oh, I'm dying. Of course we are. And how about a Tony Pollard for the Cowgirls? Pink. 79 out of 175. Pink. Marquise Brown, Thunderbird. Base. That's base. That's base. Patty Mahomes, Kenneth Walker, Mingo. How about a Dak Prescott purple? Out of 99, 58 out of 99 purple. Debo, Matt Judon, Tui Puluto. And how about a Jared Goff Fire Fabrics red out of 75, 73 of 75 Detroit Lions Fire Fabrics. They should have won that game. Darius Davis, silver rookie. Quentin Johnston, silver contours for the Chargers. Josh Jacobs, Jaron Hall, C.J. Stroud playing with fire. And a C.D. Lamb out of 25. Damn. Paragon. Patch auto, silver. 23 of 25. C.D. Lamb for Cowboys are having a break. Or a box at least. Looking for Levi's. Levi's. Devontae Smith, hot route. Silver, okay. Henley. Tyreek Hill, silver. They do. Kyler Murray, pink again out of 175. 17 of 175 for Arizona. Trevor, Debo, Kirk, Trey Tucker. How about a nice purple variation Justin Jefferson Vikings of the contours? 2 of 125. That looks cool. The purple on the purple. Nice hit, Minnesota. Desmond Ritter, silver. Jerry Judy, Raheem. Adebawore. How about a Nick Bosa, Browns? 37 of 75. Fired up. Nolan Smith. Jalen Waddle, silver. Short print, apparently. Jonathan Mingo, red. Out of 250, 25 of 250. AJ and Odell. All right, that's... Did I miss any this time? I better not have. Nope. Clean as a whistle. All them rookies. And here's your silvers. No redemptions. All right, box 3. Come on, let's warm up here. This is not going to work. Ooh, Travis hit some. With some shots fired to the Dallas crowd.
Yeah.
All right, come on. This is where we got to heat up. We need. Let's call out specific players. So I saw. What did I see? I saw Levis. I saw Mims. What else did we see? Levis, Mims. I don't know. Call out a player. Let's put him out in the universe. Let's get him. Let's get after him. Burrow. Okay, Robert wants some Burrow. Burrow baby pictures. We have Burrow, Mims, Jalen Carter for the Jets, I believe. Achan for Miami. Okay. A Hurts auto. All right, Crystal wants a Jalen Hurts auto. Why not? Or Chase Brown. Okay. Chase Brown's possible. RPA. All right, let's make it happen. Because this is bullshit. All right, DK, Brian Robinson, Devonta, Deontay Banks, Micah Parson again with the Dallas out of 25, 23 of 25. 23 of 25, Micah. Bo, Joe Mixon, Jordan Addison. How about a out of 50, 6 of 50, Jalen Hyatt gold. Rookie patch. For the Giants, Jalen Hyatt gold out of 50. There's Flowers out of 125, purple. Lamb, Brock Purdy, Dexter Sr., Zay Flowers again. Ooh, what is this? We got an auto? Yeah, we do. That's a good one. Jordan Addison, rookie patch auto from Minnesota. 98 of 99. Not what we've called out, but at least this is a good one. Mustard 1 of 1. Chad 1 of 1. Ryland. All right. I love all the requests. That's a nice Jordan Addison patch auto. Lamar Jackson, hot route. Sean Clifford, Deontay Foreman, silver. Felix Anudike Uzoma. 137 and 175. Firewave, Wavefire, Trevor, Dak, Jamar, Riley Moss. Ooh, nice Aqua Puka. Fire Forged. Should be numbered. It is 79 of 150. Hard to see up there. One of Vesty Nesty. Tyler Lockett, silver. Miles Sanders. Michael Wilson. Patty Mahomes, red. Flamethrower. 4 of 199. There's a Jamar Chase, pink. 24 of 175. A Bryce Young. Playing with fire. Come on. Let's get at least one of the ones you guys call out. Jesus. Dylan Horton. Jalen Hurts. Where's the auto? Silver. Travis Kelce. What's all the Chiefs? What the fuck? 103 to 199. It's rigged. Good. A.J. Brown, Russell Wilson, Brian Breesy. Nice little prismatic Cam Smith, rookie silver. Oh my God. More Dak Prescott. Aqua. 81 to 125. Dallas, for Christ's sake. Brock Purdy, silver. Tariq, DeAndre. Rashee Rice. Chase Brown. Somebody did say Chase Brown, right?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. We got one of them. Rookie patch auto. I think he even said RPA. Pull up. Oh, he's like, I'm going to do it here. Didn't he not say Chase Brown RPA?
Dang.
Yeah, I saw that. Scared the shit out of me.
You had a moment, you're
That scared the hell out of me. 207 out of 299. Rookie patch auto. There you go.
You're like, is anything there connected to here?
Called your shot. Yeah, I did. Justin Herbert. At least we got one so far. Justin Herbert contours. All right, that's enough for you, Robert. No, I'm joking. Stevenson. Tyler Scott, silver. Ooh, nice Rashad White. Very Christmassy. Green. This one's only out of 15. 6 out of 15. Rashad White for Tampa Bay. Tua, J.K. Jake Moody. I feel better now. There's a Gibbs. I do. He's fired up. There's a Bryce Young pink. Out of 175. 10 out of 175. Bryce Young. Fire Forge, Jalen Hurts. Once again, missing the auto for our friend. Cansey. And Will Anderson pink. Out of 199. 60 to 199. All right. All rookies. Yes, they are. All non-rookies. They better be. Seeing a lot of pattern of a lot of the same people. Saying. All right. Final box. Come on. Let's get the rest of the ones. We don't need any more Chiefs or Dallas cards.
Yeah, same box for the 2 RPAs.
Yep. Last box magic. Come on. Let's get all the stuff that we needed to get. And let's do one more giveaway. Just because you guys have been in oh, you can't do it, can you? Are you up and ready?
Yeah, I got it.
All right.
Let me just give me a minute.
Yeah. He's got to get back. He's got to warm himself back up. Oh, yeah. How about one Titan card for Easton would be nice. Just one Titan card.
Come on, bro.
You know, here at Wax Zone, where we embrace the chase, we also, you know, we don't make it, we just break it. Come on.
Where we embrace the chase.
All right, good luck, everyone. Last stuff. Will Anderson, rookie. Brock Purdy, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Cam Smith. And what the hell? We got a Drew Sanders. There you go, Travis. Drew Sanders, rookie auto. I think he said he had Colorado, right? Or Denver, I'm sorry. Drew Sanders, rookie auto. Jared Goff, silver. Flamethrower. Jonathan, Juju. Tyreek Stevenson, rookie. Juju Smith-Schuster, aqua. That's going to be 53 of 150 for the Patriots. Josh Jacobs, contours. Silver.
I said that's not Mims.
I'm aware. Jake Moody, rookie. But how about a Javonte Williams? This one's going to be... What is this one? Not numbered. It was backwards. Must be some kind of variation of that crazy Phoenix. Maybe it's a Phoenix. Silver Phoenix. I don't know. Red, Tyreek Hill. 87 of 199. Miami. Playing with fire, Patty Mahomes.
Give me a word.
The word is fire. Fire. Come on, everybody. Right, fire. One last giveaway, just because. Joe Mixon. Zay Flowers, rookie. Another one of these prismatic Cansey rookies. Jair Brown. This is a Aqua to 150. 136 to 150 for San Francisco. Quentin Johnson, silver. Fire. C.J. Stroud, rookie rising silver rookie. Travis Kelce, Myles Garrett, Rashee Rice, Juju silver. Josh Allen. Fire. 129 and 150. Josh Allen for Buffalo. Jamar Chase, Yaya Diaby, Chris Olave silver. Oh my God. Dak Prescott pink. 99 to 175. I mean, seriously, what the hell? Who did Dak blow to get in this product? Justin Jefferson, hot route. That's crazy. Riley Moss. Mac Jones for the... Nobody called for him. 74 out of 125. Aqua. Who we got here? Ooh, we got a good one. Puka Auto Pink. Funny how when I say fire, everybody wrote fire and not like tire. We'll run it after this. After I finish the stack. Puka Auto 76 to 99. That's nice. That is very nice. Bennett, Mike Evans, silver. Anthony Richardson, silver, and rookie rising insert. Michael Pittman, Christian Gonzalez, Dylan Horton again with these prismatic silver things. How about a Tank Bigsby, purple, out of 125, 36 of 125. Tank Bigsby for the Jaguars. Devonta Smith, hot route. Cam, Nick, JSN, and a Breesy. We didn't need another Breesy out. We really did not. Brian Breesy, pink. 58 of 99. Desmond Ritter, hot flamethrower. Amari, Dylan Horton. Tajee, there's a Titan. Tajee Spears, patch. Out of 199. There's at least one Titan. There's a Jaren Hall pink for Minnesota, 96 of 199. Daniel Jones silver, Kamara, Breesy, and Patty Mahomes silver, of course. All right, well, we'll run it. Let's see who wins. Who wins? Who wins? He said, I got one. And one team. Who is this? Vin Delisi?
Vin Diesel, I think. Right?
There was a patch. It was the Titans patch. There was a patch. There was a patch.
These are all the numbers. Let's just do the patches.
Yep, patches and autos right here. Anthony Richardson patch out of 199. The triple patch for Atlanta of Freeman, Robinson, and Anderson out of 150. Jared Goff Fire Fabrics red for Detroit out of 75. Jalen Hyatt for New York Giants patch gold out of 50. Tajee Spears, that was the last patch. Out of 199. So
He said
yeah, I should be, man, every day I check, Travis, and as soon as I get it, I'll send you a picture with the grade. I'm sure we'll figure it out. Soccer, I have the Eagles. C1 soccer. Let me just pull that. They're just falling out. So this is the last break, right? 783? 4? 784. 784 Eagles. Good luck, sir or ma'am. Our autos were Sean Clifford, pink, out of 25, rookie for Green Bay. For Houston, Will Anderson Jr., redemption. Deuce Vaughn, rookie patch auto for Dallas, out of 50. Nice rookie patch auto. Another patch auto for Dallas, silver of CD Lamb, out of 25. We did have some nice RPAs, including Jordan Addison, which was out of 99. That's very nice. Chase Brown, which was called for, out of 299. Drew Sanders, auto, not, I guess not versus silver rookie. Okay. Brian Breesy, pink, out of 99. And at least we got a Puka, pink, out of 99 auto. Guys, gals, thank you so much for joining us. I know that you normally break with the TCG brothers, as you should, because they're the best, but we certainly appreciate you stopping by. Check us out anytime, Saturdays. Always like to have a good time. Have a great rest of the week. See you next week.
Bye, everyone. Be safe.